Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we will explore Learning Outcome 4, Understanding the Organizational Context of Education and Training. Education and training do not occur in isolation. They are shaped by the broader environment in which they take place. The organizational context includes the structures, policies, and cultures that define how an institution operates. Understanding this context is essential, as educational organizations must align with national frameworks while also responding to the unique needs of their learners. Key factors such as leadership, management, funding, and quality assurance directly influence curriculum design, teaching practices, and learning outcomes. In this session, we will examine how these components interact and collectively shape the environment for effective education and training. Education providers vary from schools to private training entities. Each has governance models defining leadership, accountability, and decision-making. Senior teams set strategic directions and ensure legal compliance. Governance reflects institutional autonomy, like academies with more independence. These structures impact teaching and learning approaches. Funding is vital in the organizational context. Public funding often comes from government bodies like the ESFA. Institutions must show value for money and learner success. Resource allocation affects staffing and teaching materials. Effective financial management fosters innovation and support. Policies reflect national laws and local priorities. Safeguarding and equality policies ensure learner welfare and inclusivity. Assessment policies guarantee fairness and consistency. Staff development policies promote professional growth. These policies guide daily practices in education settings. Quality assurance involves internal and external processes. Observations and feedback ensure accountability. External bodies like Ofsted conduct inspections. These processes drive continuous improvement. Maintaining high standards is essential for effective education. Culture shapes teaching and learning environments. Values and mission influence staff behavior and learner support. An inclusive culture fosters positive learning. A focus on performance targets may stifle creativity. Balancing these aspects is crucial for success. Understanding the organizational context is key to professional practice. Governance, funding, policies, and culture shape education. These elements ensure accountability and alignment with national and local needs. Recognizing their impact enhances curriculum and learner support. Effective education relies on these foundational aspects. Policies ensure consistency and compliance with laws. Safeguarding prioritizes learner welfare. Equality policies promote inclusivity and fair treatment. Health and safety policies maintain safe environments. Data protection ensures secure handling of information. Codes of practice define professional conduct. They include safeguarding and ethical behavior. Boundaries and relationships with learners are crucial. Confidentiality and CPD engagement are emphasized. These codes reflect organizational values and expectations. Guidelines offer practical instructions for staff. They include procedures for reporting concerns. Adapting resources for diverse needs is covered. Safe use of digital tools is outlined. Guidelines ensure consistency and clarity in responsibilities. Organizational requirements shape curriculum and practice. They stem from policies and strategic objectives. In specialist areas, expectations impact teaching. Requirements can enhance or constrain learning. Balancing these influences is key for educators. Curriculum is shaped by national frameworks and priorities. Awarding bodies ensure consistency and credibility. Inclusion policies require diverse and non-discriminatory content. Strategic priorities may add new content. These elements prepare learners for professional life. Organizational expectations influence lesson delivery. Safeguarding responsibilities shape teaching methods. Inclusivity requires adapting delivery for diverse needs. CPD engagement aligns with institutional goals. Balancing compliance and creativity is essential for educators. Assessment requirements ensure fairness and standardization. Quality assurance processes add administrative workload. Feedback standards enhance learner progress. Digital tools offer efficiency but require new skills. Balancing these demands is key for educators. Organizational requirements raise standards and promote inclusivity. They align curriculum with institutional goals. Excessive compliance can reduce autonomy. Flexibility in teaching may be limited. Educators must balance these impacts for effective practice. Organizational requirements significantly shape education. They ensure compliance and quality improvement. However, they can constrain flexibility and increase workload. Educators must balance adherence with innovation. Keeping learning engaging and relevant is crucial. Key legislation guides education and training. The Equality Act ensures inclusivity. Data Protection Act secures personal information. Health and Safety Act maintains safe environments. These laws underpin organizational policies. Professional standards guide educators' conduct. The ETF sets standards for teachers. Ofsted inspects education quality. These frameworks ensure accountability and improvement. Aligning with them is crucial for effective practice. Theorists shape educational practice. Schoen's reflective practice encourages critical thinking. Maslow's hierarchy of needs influences learner support. Kolb's experiential learning promotes active engagement. These models guide teaching and learning approaches. Refer to ebooks and journals for this unit. Further reading enhances understanding. Queries can be emailed for support. Assignments are submitted after unit completion. Continuous learning is encouraged. Understanding organizational context is vital for educators. It shapes curriculum, teaching, and assessment. Policies and standards ensure quality and accountability. Educators must balance compliance with innovation. Effective practice relies on this understanding. In conclusion, the organizational context of education is complex and multifaceted. Governance structures, funding mechanisms, and policy frameworks are all critical factors that shape educational practice. Educators must skillfully navigate these elements, balancing compliance with established guidelines and the pursuit of innovative approaches. Developing this nuanced understanding is essential for enhancing both teaching effectiveness and overall educational outcomes. Any questions? Just WhatsApp us at 07484361,688. We're always happy to assist. Thank you for joining us today, and see you at the next session.